This video was made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable. You may visit farmersmarket.com.sg and enter Foodie Mama PH in a discount box on checkout and get 15% off your first order. What's up you guys, Kiliancho here and welcome to the third series with Farmers Market Singapore. We're gonna have a mix of Chinese Indian recipes this time. We're gonna start off with some Chinese BBQ pork or Cha Siu and what people call a Singapore noodle that never existed in Singapore, delicious butter chicken, and ultimate lamb chops biryani. I can't wait to share all these recipes with you. So now we're gonna start making some Cha Siu. We're going to be using Australia's best pork tenderloin from Farmers Market Singapore. This Bangalore pork is antibiotic-free, hormone-free, high welfare certified, and is not moisture infused, meaning you get 100% Australian pork. We're going to jump straight to the marinade. We need 1 whole garlic, 4 pieces shallots, 1 inch ginger, all peeled and grated, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon 5 spice, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons hoisin, 2 tablespoons Japanese soy, 1 tablespoon dark soy, 1 tablespoon sweet soy, 2 tablespoons Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1 piece red bean curd if you can get a hold of it. If not, you may replace it with either red yeast rice or beetroot juice. Mix and marinate for at least 24 to 48 hours. In this recipe, we marinated the pork for 36 hours. And now it's ready to be cooked. Pour some water on your baking tray so it wouldn't burn, and it will keep our meat moist. We're using a leaner and healthier cut, so this step is necessary. For the glaze, we need to boil the leftover marinade, add some honey and red bean curd juice. Brush each piece and cook for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Reglaze every 5 to 7 minutes until it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the egg noodles. This is a fresh pack I got from the local grocery. Boil it for 1 to 2 minutes and transfer quickly to an ice bath so we can aim for QQ or bouncy noodles. And when the Cha Siu is cooked, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes and it's ready for plating. You can cut them however you like, but since this is homemade, I'm gonna aim for thicker cuts because why not? Place it on top of the noodles with chili vinegar, sambal, tomatoes, and cucumber. Throw in some more fresh green chilies. And this is my version of Chinese BBQ pork or Cha Siu.